Hey there! Today I want to explain you about an amazing high-quality S22 smartwatch designed specifically for fitness and well-being. This smartwatch is packed with features that can help you stay on top of your health and fitness goals. First, let's talk about the air pump and balloon type accurate blood pressure testing. This feature ensures that your blood pressure readings are precise and reliable. No more guessing or worrying about inaccurate results. Next up is the ECG electrocardiogram function. This allows you to monitor your heart's electrical activity, helping you detect any irregularities early on. It's like having a mini heart specialist right on your wrist. The smartwatch also includes blood glucose monitoring, which is super important for people with diabetes or anyone wanting to keep an eye on their sugar levels. You can track your glucose levels throughout the day, making it easier to manage your diet and lifestyle. Another fantastic feature is the independent and accurate blood oxygen monitoring. This is crucial for tracking your oxygen levels, especially during workouts or if you have respiratory issues. It helps ensure your body is getting enough oxygen to function properly. The smartwatch also measures body temperature, blood lipids, and uric acid levels. These metrics provide a comprehensive view of your overall health, helping you make informed decisions about your wellness routine. For fitness enthusiasts, the respiratory rate and heart rate monitoring features are essential. They help you track your breathing and heart rate during workouts, ensuring you're exercising at the right intensity. Sleep monitoring is another great feature. It tracks your sleep patterns, helping you understand the quality of your rest and make improvements if needed. Finally, there's the remote care feature. This allows you to stay connected with relatives and friends, making sure they're safe and healthy, even from a distance. With all these amazing features, this high-quality smartwatch is the perfect companion for anyone serious about fitness and well-being. Get yours today and take control of your health like never before.